Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Face ID not working after the latest iOS 18.2.1 update on your iPhone. So let's get started. So if you're having this issue, the very first thing you want to troubleshoot is making sure that your phone does not have dust or any kind of dirt blocking that front-facing camera. If you have a case on, you want to make sure that's not getting in the way, and take a microfiber cloth like I have here. Just simply wipe down your phone, especially that front camera over here. Again, just a quick troubleshooting that you want to do. Now after you have done that, next thing that you want to do is go ahead into your setting on your iPhone, and then from there on you're going to go to Face ID and passcode, and let's go ahead and enter our current passcode, and from there on we're going to go ahead and reset the Face ID that we currently have. So just reset it just like that, and then you're going to go ahead and set it up again. So go ahead and continue and then get started, and then you want to go ahead and set it up. Now if you're having an issue where it's not focusing right on your face, or it's out of focus, as some users have reported, just keep on trying. If you can't do it, it'll eventually work. You just have to keep on trying and trying. But let's say you still can't get it to work, you want to follow this method, which is you're going to quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo reappears. So I'll do volume up, volume down, press and release very quick, and then I hold on to this side button just like that, and keep on holding that side button, and you're going to want to wait until the Apple logo appears when it goes completely black, as you can see here, just like that. And this is known as a forced restart. Basically shuts down the phone software, reloads the code, which is important to do, especially after update, when there's new code that just needs to be recompiled and reloaded on the phone. Again, during this process, make sure you don't touch the screen at all, even if it says slide to power off. You're going to want to keep on trying this until you get it. And if it doesn't work, just keep on trying it a few times until you can get that to work. Again, all you do is quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to the side button, avoiding touching the screen with your finger or your hand at all. And as you can see here, I'm doing it again. And this method is safe, will not delete any of your data. All it's doing is forcing that phone to shut down and then reloading the code after you see the Apple logo appears. Again, do it a few times. The more the better. Again, like I said, this is not going to delete any of your data, but if you simply just can't get that Face ID to work or set up, just keep on trying it after you have reset the Face ID and just set it up again. And hopefully after doing this, it works for you. Now, if you found a better way to fix that issue as well for your case, do share it with everyone else in the comment section. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.